Hi everyone, Chef John Liddell with Monogram Appliances. Today I'm here with our brand new 5-in-1 oven with Advantium Speed Cook technology. And what I'm going to prepare for you is a very easy, very delicious 4-herb crusted chicken. So let's take a look at the ingredients and get started. So for our 4-herb crusted chicken, we're going to mix up some sour cream. And again, you can follow below for the recipe. A little bit of roasted garlic there. Fresh herbs. Then I'm going to take just about 3/4 of the cheese and add that to there, reserving a little bit for later. I'm going to mix all that yumminess up, get it well incorporated. And really what we're making is a nice little paste that's going to go on top of our chicken. I'm just going to smear it all over this chicken. Don't be afraid about putting too much on. Can't really do that. And once all of it's on there, lastly, all we have to do, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then finally, the last bit of that shredded parm right on top. All right, so our 4-herb crusted chicken is in a glass baking dish. We're going to take that, put it right directly into the 5-in-1 oven. Open up the door here. And this is going to be a precision cooking recipe, which means we don't need to preheat. We just pop it into the oven, and then with some custom selections, we'll get this going. So precision cooking, sure. Custom. Then we're going to set the time for about 12 minutes. Works really well for this dish. So go ahead and hit set there. And then we want to set the upper, lower, microwave, and convection fan. So we're going to set the upper to 10, the lower to 8. The microwave is going to be set very low, just at about 10%. And then the convection fan all the way up at 100%. From there, all we have to do is hit set. It'll prompt us to make sure we use a metal tray. And then we hit start. And again, that light comes on, shows us the beautiful chicken starting to roast, but more importantly, starts the cooking process. All right, guys, so the herb crusted chicken is coming out of the oven in just 1 second. It's looking delicious, really nice caramelization across the top, but most importantly, it was done in less than 20 minutes. Look at that.